We have successfully inserted value into a span tag. What if we are dealing with an IMG or image tag? IMG tag is a single body tag that relies on its attributes to work. So, how do we control attribute values from model and VM? Controlling attribute values is something we will be doing very often. Therefore, VUE has developed a directive just for handling this matter. Meet the v-bind directive. The v-bind directive has a shortcut, a colon. First, we go to Model and create a new property, URL. The image address is stored here. Then, we create a new IMG or image tag. v-bind : src equals to the URL. Run the program. The new image has been displayed. Next, we create a title property in the model. In the image tag, we v-bind the title attribute. Run the program. We can see the title attribute has been set successfully. In this lesson, we will combine everything we have learned and create an APP. This is the official web page used by BBC. We're going to recreate this news block using VUE. These 6 news blocks are all created using the same template. The only difference is the data. We have created a template. HTML and CSS coding is not the priority of this course. Therefore, we will directly show you the template. First, let's do a program analysis. Each news block contains 4 types of information: image URL, news title, content summary, and category name. This means in model, we need 4 properties: URL, title, summary, and category. First, we find the image tag. We add the v-bind directive to the front of the src attribute. Then, we set its value to URL. URL is the property name we defined in model. Next, title. We delete the original title and put in a set of double-nested curly brackets. Then, we replace the summary and category. Refresh the page, everything is gone. Next, we go downstairs and create the VM. We instantiate the VUE class. 2 properties to set here, L and data. L's value is the ID of the parent div. Data's value is the first model, model_1. Run the program. We can see everything is working fine now. Then, let's change into model 2. We can see all we need to do is to switch models. The data will change automatically. We do not need to do anything about the template. The program we just used is working perfectly, but we have a problem here. We can only display one news block at a time. What if we want to display them all at the same time? Most importantly, we only want to use one VUE instance. The solution is a new VUE directive, v4. We also need to make adjustments in the model. First, let's try a simple application of it. We have a parent div here. It is controlled by the VUE instance below. Inside the div, we put a UL tag and an LI tag. Then, we go to the VUE class. In data, we set a new property called InfoSet. The value of the info property is an array. Attention here, the value of the InfoSet property is an array. Inside it, we put 5 array elements. We want to display these 5 values in LI tags, 1 value, 1 LI tag. This means the LI tag needs to be repeated. Therefore, the V for directive should be inserted into the LI tag. Then, equal sign, and quotes. Inside the quotes, we first put a placeholder. We name it element here. Element will represent each array element. Behind element, we put the keyword in and property name info set. Next, we put a set of double-nested curly brackets into the li tags. Between the curly brackets, we put the placeholder element. Run the program. We can see every array element has been displayed. Then, we add a new array element. Run the program. The new element has been added. Turn on the source code. We can see each array element is in its own li tag. We only need to create one li tag. The rest will be created by the V for directive for us automatically.